Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I wanted to swatch and review the new Catrice Peel Off Glam Effect Nail Polish. These are glittery nail polishes you can actually just peel off of your nail. It doesn't say to use a base coat, but I would always suggest to just use a regular base coat because I did on my own nail as well. And yeah, there are 8 shades in total. I really love the way the bottle is formed, and it says apply nail polish into thin layers, and it should be really easy to peel off after you've worn it for a couple of days. So yeah, let's just swoop it all out of the way, and I'm going to swatch on my regular nail wheel again, and I'm starting off with this beautiful pink shade. It is such a gorgeous color. It is 01 Stress, does not go well with my polish. I have shown you this color and the third color in a previous video, which was the new Catrice Cosmetics like assortment update with all the new stuff for the fall winter collection. So this is a complete new range within their regular nail polish collection, and I'm really curious about all of them. But this is the first coat, and I'm going in with 2 coats for all of these swatches. This is a glitter which has chunkier and also some finer milled glitter. It isn't like shimmer or anything, it really is a super glittery polish, and I really like the fact that you can build this up really easily. But if you want to just use it really sparsely, you could also just use it on top of a regular nail polish and cap it off with a top coat to make sure you won't peel it off as easy. Then the second one is like a silver holographic kind of glitter, but it has a little bit of lilac in it, and it is called Two Nil More, Worry Less. Again, beautiful design of the bottle, really love that. And this one has a little bit less chunkier glitter, but mostly a lot of like regular finely milled glitter and a little bit more of that medium-sized glitter. And here I'm going in with that second coat, and this one, I feel like this one is a little bit more opaque than the previous one. So the finer milled glitter actually only needs 2 coats. Instead of the chunkier glitter, I would suggest to just use 3 coats. Then this third one is the gold one I have shown you before, and this one has a mix of different sized glitter as well, and it's called 03 When in Doubt, Just Add Glitter, which is, to me, really a true quote. This one is a little less chunky than the first pink one. It is a little bit comparable to the second one, which is the silver lilac-y holographic glitter polish, but this one just has beautiful gold glitter. I feel like it is a little bit more of a cooler gold tone, but really beautiful nonetheless. So that is what it looks like with just 2 coats. You could always go for a third coat, but I feel like 2 coats is pretty decent for this shade. Then next up is a gunmetal to black kind of base with silver gunmetal-y kind of glitter in it. It also has some finely milled glitter, which I really like, and this one is called 04 Girls Bite Back. I really like the name of this one. I think it is a really like cool and tough kind of polish, and not just your standard pink or purple glitter, if you know what I mean. I think this one is really cool for every guy or girl who isn't really into the girly kind of polishes. But this is what it looks like. So it also has like some black or like gunmetal, really dark gray glitter, and I think this is just a really cool polish you could easily wear for any occasion. Then next up is this beautiful silver, and this is the 5th shade if I'm correct, and this one is kind of comparable to the pink, and this one is Too Glam to Stay at Home. It is the same kind of texture as the pink, so it is a little bit more sparse glitter. It has a ton of like really chunky glitter, which makes it really festive, but I would suggest just adding about 3 coats instead of just 2, or apply it on top of like a silver kind of polish to hide the fact that it is a little bit more sparse. but it really is a really nice shade. It is a perfect, just standard silver chunky mixed glitter polish. Really nice. Then the next one is this really pretty like purpley kind of shade, and it is like a medium to light purple. I wouldn't say it is a really dark one. And this is 06 Dance All Night Sparkle All Day. Again, really fun name. I really like the way Catrice always names their polishes and stuff. They're really unique and original. But this one does need at least 2 coats. It is a little bit sparse. I feel like it is a little bit like comparable to the second one, but I really do like the color. And here you see me applying the second layer, which makes it a lot more opaque already, but I think this will look really pretty on top of like a purple or a white polish as well. I really like the fact that it has a little bit more of that finer milled glitter, and that this collection doesn't have like only really super chunky glitter as well. Then the next one, this is a gorgeous like blue purple kind of shade, and it is called 07 Polish Sleep Run Repeat. Again, really cute original name. I really do like the way this looks. It has like a blurple kind of glitter in it, but also kind of like a silvery kind of glitter or shimmer. It isn't like as dark as the fourth polish, but I really like the fact that the purple or the blurple actually makes it kind of dark. But I think this will look beautiful on top of a black nail polish as well. And again, the design of these bottles are just awesome. They remind me of diamonds, and I just really love the way they style them. Then the seventh one is a medium like sky blue with holographic glitter in it, with like silver holographic. And this one is 08 Think Less, Polish More. It is a really beautiful color. It reminds me of the sea and mermaids, and it is like a unicorn mermaid or like a mermaid unicorn. That's the kind of like combination that pops into my mind when I see this color. And I just really love the fact that there is like silver holographic glitter in here next to all that beautiful like sky blue kind of color of glitter. And it isn't as chunky as some of the other polishes. It's a little bit in between of the chunky range of this kind of collection. But that were the 8 colors in total. Of course, I also tried it out on my own nails. I just used my thumbnail for this, and I did apply a normal like regular base coat on forehand and made sure that it was completely dry, because I didn't want to try this out and not use a base coat, because I was really scared it would actually damage my nail plate, and I really don't want that. But I did try it out on my thumb, because as you can see it has a little bit discoloration because of a green polish I used a little while ago. So it wouldn't be like such a disaster if I would damage this nail a little bit, because it is already discolored. So here you see me just applying 2 coats, making sure that each coat is completely dried in between, and I skipped applying a top coat. So after I was done applying it, I actually did record the swatch video, so the part you just saw, because I really wanted this to be completely dry before I would peel it off. And here you can see me peeling it off in about half an hour to an hour of wearing it. I do feel, I don't know if that is because I use a base coat, but it doesn't peel off in like one piece. It stays a little bit soft. I think that is so you can just easily peel it off. But I just use an orange wood stick to start this little peel. And I just use my finger to get rid of all the excess. But it really is super like elasticy and bendable. It isn't like really hard or anything like that. but I actually did make sure it was completely dry and really completely dry in between the layers as well. But here you can see it actually didn't damage my nail. I have seen some photos and videos of other girls trying it out, and they all said that their nail plate was pretty damaged and they had some lifting of the different layers in the nail, but I didn't have that at all. So I'm actually really pleased, but I would suggest just to use a regular base coat underneath, and if you want to make sure it lasts for a very long time, just apply a top coat as well. I think I really like this design. They aren't that expensive as well. I think they are below the €4 range, but yeah, this was my complete review and swatch video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in a next video.